Hello, my name is Michael Samuel. I'm a researcher at the University of South Australia. I head the Tumour Microenvironment Lab at the Centre for Cancer Biology and the Cancer Mechanotherapies Lab at the Basil Hetzel Institute, where I'm funded by an Australian Breast Cancer Research Fellowship. The incidence of early onset bowel cancer has actually increased. It's doubled in the last 20 years. And at the same time, the incidence of bowel cancer in the general population has come down by about 25%. So it's an area of concern. People with early onset bowel cancer have a 50% chance of presenting with recurrence or metastasis later on, whereas in the general population, those diagnosed with bowel cancer, it's about a 30% chance of presenting. So it's a significantly higher proportion of people. Rho-associated kinase, or ROC, is an enzyme that's found in every cell in the body. But we find that there is a lot more of it in cancer cells, epithelial cancer cells in particular. It has a role in regulating cell movement, cell motility, but it also influences the environment of the cancer cell. And we think it may provide us with some clues as to how cancer cells hijack their environment for metastatic disease. There are lots of examples of targeted therapies. This one that we are investigating in particular, the idea is to stop cancer cells from hijacking their microenvironment. And this is targeted in such a way that we don't then need to resort to chemotherapy, which is a general cell poison, and is likely to kill normal cells as well as the cancer cells, which is why it's very hard for patients to tolerate chemotherapy. The project is funded by Bowel Cancer Australia through Cancer Australia's priority-driven cancer research scheme. And it seeks to understand who amongst the people diagnosed with early onset bowel cancer are likely to subsequently present with metastatic disease. We don't know who is going to present later on with this disease, and this project seeks to understand whether there are clues to be found in the primary cancer that these patients have, and whether we can then understand who will present with metastatic disease so we can treat these people accordingly. We have the Centre for Cancer Biology, which is an alliance between the University of South Australia and SA Pathology. And we also have researchers from the Central Adelaide Local Health Network, the Royal Adelaide Hospital and SA Pathology as part of this project.